absolute value is essentially this. How big? Okay, so when I have a number like 4 or a number like -4, we say the absolute value of 4 by putting that in brackets, and the absolute value of -4 by putting that in those brackets. And notice our negative sign is inside the brackets. It's very important. Okay, when we think about this on a number line, okay, when we think about this on a number line, we can say that 4, I can draw my arrow diagram. So 4 is represented by this arrow from 0 to 4, or I can say that, call that one 4. This one is -4. All right, -4, an arrow from 0 to -4. Okay, when I look at the distance that each of these numbers is from 0 on a number line, I'd say that that distance is the same distance. Okay, if all I'm doing is comparing the size of the arrow and not the direction, then I'm going to say that 4 and -4 have the same absolute value. And they are both equal to a distance of 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Okay, so they both have an absolute value of 4 units, whether they're negative or positive. Now what this means is that for a positive number, the absolute value is always just the number. For a negative number, it's always the opposite of the number. A lot of students will make the mistake of saying that if -4 has an absolute value of 4, then 4 must have an absolute value of -4. But remember, -4 isn't really a size, it's not really a length. It's a length plus a direction. So -4 has an overall length, or a distance, of 4 units from 0. That's the absolute value. In the negative direction gives us the direction. Okay, so another word that we use with absolute value is magnitude. And magnitude, again, is how big. So how big is it? That's the magnitude. So frequently in mathematics, you'll see the notation with a number in brackets, number in these straight brackets like this, and we'll say this is the absolute value. But in many other areas, in mathematics or in physics or other sciences, they talk about the absolute value of a number or a quantity as being the magnitude of that number. Okay, and it's simply the size. How big is it? Not which direction, just how big.